just came running back here with his friend, and he had this story to tell me.
Country
Who was
music.
playing country music?
The truck right there, and they were singing, and then they said, "Come on, bring it on, boys."
Oh.
So I sang the rest of the song,
Wait a minute.
and they gave us drinks for free.
They said, "Come on, bring it on, boys."
Yeah.
They gave you free drinks?
Yeah.
Oh my God, that was nice of them. And they gave you water? And what did you do with the water?
I gave it to you.
Oh, thank you, Lucas. Thank you, kids. What was the song, Lucas?
Chicken fry.
Chicken fries? I never heard of it.
Beer on Friday. Cold beer on a Friday night. Pair of jeans that fit just right. And the radio. On the sunshine. And my eyes in it one more time.
That was great, Lucas. Come on, 7! Come on, 1! 7, 1! Come on! Come on! Here they come. Getting ready for the... Whoa, look at that one.
Yeah, I was betting on.
Here they come, getting ready for the next race. Woohoo! Come on, boys. Woohoo! Yay! Hi, everyone. Welcome to my channel, The Baking Diva. Well, I'm coming to you tonight from the Meadowlands Racetrack in New Jersey. I'm here with my son, Scott, and my grandson, Lucas, and his friend, Genty. Well, let me just tell you. First race, thumbs down. I won nothing. And there's a lot of food trucks here. I took videos of them. They're having a little festival. So I'm going to show you a few highlights of our night tonight. We thought it would just be fun. It's a beautiful night to do something a little different. So stay tuned if you want to see some highlights of the horses running at the Meadowlands. When you come in the front entrance, here's this great horse. Of course, the kids are on the back of it. There they are. Kids will be kids. I'm trying to get them to pose in front of it for me. Look at this! Lucas is in the 15th race today with the horse. Circle many years ago. We had a good friend who had a fantastic racehorse. The horse's name was Big Jim, and we became very good friends with him. And he became very good friends with our family, and on several occasions Big Jim came in first, and it was very exciting. We got to go into the winner's circle with the owner and the horse's family, and it was so much fun. It's a cook-off day here, and these people are making shish kebabs. They have steak, chicken, and shrimp. All kinds of trucks out here, and all kinds of goodies. Over here, they're selling Mexico City grub. A lot of noise. The trucks are making a lot of noise. Woo! And everybody's trying to find some grub to eat before the next race starts. Busy here today. A lot of people are eating outside. Lots of goodies to pick from. Here's another truck selling ribs, pork, brisket, chicken and mac and cheese. Here they're selling homemade mozzarella, fresh mozzarella. Anybody want a lobster roll? Here they're selling super stuffed burgers. I don't know what they're like. I might have to go on the other side and see. This person is making these super stuffed burgers, whatever they are. I really don't know. But everything looks good. Here's another one of the trucks. Here's another one of the trucks here. The empanada. No, the empanada. I'm sorry. Here's another one of the trucks here. The empanada truck. There are some people online at the Latin Bites truck. Look at this. They took my water away from me when I came in, and now they're selling it for $2. And some of them they're selling for $3. Boy, oh boy. This is Clyde's homemade Italian ice cream company. The boys are getting some ice cream. The boys are online counting their money for Clyde's homemade ice cream. They want to get some ice cream. And they said, oh, we're going to pay for it with our own money. And I said, well, fine. That's okay with me.